Want to grow the juiciest watermelon in your backyard? Watermelon is a favorite summer fruit. But how do you grow it successfully? Today, we will explore the ultimate guide to growing watermelon. First, let's talk about choosing the right seeds. Look for hybrid varieties. They usually grow faster and have fewer pests. Also, pick seeds that match your climate. Next, find the perfect location. Watermelon loves the sun. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. The soil should be well-draining and rich in organic matter. Test the soil pH, aiming for 6.0 to 6.8. It's time to plant. Start seeds indoors if your frost season is long. Otherwise, plant seeds directly in the ground after the last frost. Make furrows about 1 inch deep and space seeds 36 inches apart. Watermelon plants need a lot of water, especially in the early stages. Water thoroughly, but avoid saturating. Once established, less frequent watering is needed. Remember, consistent moisture is key. As your plants grow, watch for pests. Aphids and cucumber beetles can cause damage. Use organic insecticides or introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs. Fertilizing is essential for healthy growth. Use a balanced fertilizer once plants are established. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid over-fertilization. After a few weeks, you will see flowers. Male flowers usually appear first. Soon after, female flowers will bloom. Pollination is crucial for fruit development. Let's take a moment to discuss how to tell when watermelon is ripe. Look for a yellow spot on the underside. The tendril nearest the fruit should brown and dry out. Give it a tap. A hollow sound means it's ready. Harvest your watermelon with a sharp knife. Cut carefully to avoid damage. Enjoy the sweet taste of success. In summary, choose the right seeds and location. Plant and water properly while monitoring for pests. Fertilize and ensure proper pollination. Finally, watch for signs of ripeness before harvesting. Ready to grow your own watermelon? Start your gardening journey today and enjoy juicy rewards. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!